Hi guys, it's Dan here, and today we're going to be explaining what a lucky 63 bet is. So a lucky 63 bet is 63 bets all rolled into one. These bets are 6 single bets, 15 doubles, 20 trebles, 15 fourfolds, 6 fivefolds, and 1 sixfold. When placing this bet type, the customer will first need to make 6 selections, for example 6 horses to win each of their races. The rest of this betting type is broken down using our infographic. So as you can see here, your 6 selections are made, and then separated off into 6 single bets based off your selections. After that, 15 unique double bets are created from your 6 selections, requiring both bets to win for each double bet to come in. After that, 20 treble bets are then created, and for these, all 3 bets in each treble must win for each bet to come in. This pattern then repeats itself for the 15 fourfolds that are created, the 6 fivefolds, and the final sixfold. So as an example, if you were to place £1 to win on each bet, you'd be placing a total of £63 on the entire bet, as there's 63 bets in total for this bet type. So whilst the lucky 63 can seem confusing at first, it's actually quite easy to understand when explained. It's worth noting as well that sometimes with this bet type, bookies can offer consolidation bonuses should only one of your bets come in, and sometimes you can even be offered an all winners bonus too. There's actually several different betting types that operate in a similar fashion to a lucky 63 bet, so please be sure to check out the rest of our explainer videos on our channel to see more. We hope this video helped you to understand more about what a lucky 63 bet is. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.